Question: what if trust and connection are on the brink of being the next global mass movement? All over the world, people feel the loss of human resilience, especially women. At 24, terminally ill, mother of a 3-year-old child, I was unable to work or care for my family after we just finished moving into our dream home. Alone and frail, I had hours alone to ask lots of questions. First, why? As I got weaker, I went deeper to ask, what is really going on here? If I was going to die, I wanted to know the details of why this was happening. As a result of the questions I asked, I healed myself energetically with precision energy of secondary inoperable infertility and went on to give birth to a second child, and that's not possible child. So how do you step into transformation? Why not try asking what's really going on here, and then listening with your entire body and precision energy field? What happens when you understand human design, energy precision, and listening? You now have the choice to act on information that is always available. Listening from a place of presence opens the door to choices and actions, and not just yours, that can lead to the brilliant resilience and self-empowerment of what if that's waiting for you. So rather than ask why or why me, what if you dare to ask why not? And why not me? The 9 essential questions method, 9EQ for short, that I discovered at age 24 is ready to share with you today. And this proven method that clients and students have benefited from for decades is designed to bring focused energy precision and brilliant resilience to transform whatever you desire in any area of your life.